If you are planning to study abroad, I believe that you must decide first of all what you are going to study. What is your aim to be in the life? Don't come out from your home without a focus. You must have a focus and planned. Life is not so easy as that you take it. So wisely decide what you want to study because it's very important. Once you are focused, then you can achieve your goals. If you want to be a doctor, pharmacist, or male or a female nurse, you must have a plan. What you have inside, what you want to do, it's important. Once your focus is on something, then it's easy to achieve it. So decide before you leap. Serbia is a good choice right now. Serbia is offering very good courses for higher education in the field of MBBS, dentistry, pharmacy, nursing, and many more like computer engineering, economics. But depends what you want to do it. You must be focused because that is very important to decide what you want to be in the future. If you want to be a computer engineer, so Serbia is a good choice by all means. It's Central Europe. Degrees are highly accepted all over the world. And more important, that very economical. It's very economical in sense that if you compare with other countries like Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, China, Serbia is the best choice because it's economical and standard of education is very high. So I believe that first of all, focus on your goal, that what you want to be in life. That is important. When you arrive in Serbia, you must know that you are here for some reason. I have many students in last 2 years. They come to Serbia, but they don't know what to do. And they end up not pursuing their education. And they found different jobs and they have to leave the country. They were not able to pursue their education, which is not good for their future. And I believe that this even makes worse their future and life, and also the reputation of countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. So I believe that you must be very clear about your future, that what you want to be. That is important. Once you know that what you are looking for, I believe that everything is possible and you will achieve easily. So be focused and think what you want to be in life. I believe everything will be on your way. After graduation, if you are going to complete your education in Serbia, you become a graduate in different fields like MBBS, dentistry, pharmacy, nursing, even computer engineering. Then you are able to get job in Europe. Especially you can get a good job in Serbia and the countries like Germany, Denmark, Luxembourg, and Switzerland. They are offering jobs straight away if you become graduate from Serbia. The degree is accepted almost in 195 countries as it is. So you don't need to give any local exam to get the job. So this is the beauty of Serbian education, that you can easily get a job after graduation. So concentrate on your studies. This is prime focus should be. Your focus, if you are coming out from your home and going to live and survive abroad, so why not to become a doctor or engineer? Then you can have a better life. I believe that graduation from Serbia will help you long way for your bright future. So good luck. I wish you all a lovely and a pleasant future ahead in Serbia.